Hey North Point, and happy Wacky Wednesday! I have loved to see all of your wacky outfits, so in order to celebrate, let's read Wacky Wednesday together. It all began with that shoe on the wall. A shoe on a wall shouldn't be there at all. I looked out the window and I said, gee! More things were wacky and I saw 3. Could you pause this video to figure out where are those 3 wacky things? Let's see. Right here. The water wouldn't work if the line is no longer connected. A worm chasing a bird. And both apples and bananas growing from a tree. That would be quite wacky indeed. I went down the hall and I said, hey, 3 more things were wacky today. You know the drill. Pause this video and look for those 3 wacky things. A candy cane as a leg of a table. Oh, that's quite wacky indeed. 2 knobs for a door. And that person's hanging upside down. That is quite wacky. In the bathroom more, in the bathroom 4. Alrighty, what did you see? I see a fish in a bottle, a sock in the shower, a faucet that's upside down, and a palm tree in the toilet. Oh my gosh, that's quite silly. I began to dress. Then I said, wow, 4 more things were wacky now. Okay, what do you see? I see that shoe is now under his bed. And there's shoes up on the ceiling and the wall. What happened to the leg of that chair? And this one was a little tricky. Did you see over here that the clock is backwards and the 12 and the 6 have been flopped? Crazy. I looked in the kitchen and I said, by cracky! 5 more things are very wacky. Pause and find them. What'd you see? Did you see the cute little bug holding up that really heavy fridge? A cup hanging all on its own. An umbrella in a pot. A hole where a plate should be. And now a mouse chasing a cat. Wow. Did we find all 5? We sure did. Let's move on. I was late for school. I started along and I saw that 6 more things were wrong. The step doesn't even go to where the door is. The door quite simply doesn't exist on this house, and this house has a tree in its chimney. This person's lost their window and it's just hanging over here on its own. The man in this car is driving from the back seat. What was the last one you saw? Yes, the lady is pushing a tiger. And then 7 more. What'd you find? That house doesn't have a side. The sun is green. The telephone pole is missing. The stop and go sign are opposite. Stop is red, go is green. This man is walking instead of having 2 tires in the back. This man has a shoe on his head. That is quite silly. What else do you see? Possibly be the bird in the shoe? and the Sutherland sisters. They looked wacky too. They said, "Nothing is wacky around here but you." So what is wacky about those sisters? The one doesn't have any legs like her sister, but yet she's walking. This one's missing, and her head no longer is attached to her body. Wow, those sisters, they are quite wacky. I ran into school and I yelled to Miss Bass, "Look, 9 things are wacky right here in your class." I see roller skates on the teacher, a shoe on the leg of the desk. She is standing on this young boy's head, and he doesn't even have a seat underneath him. Here we have Abraham Lincoln as Henry. I don't think that's quite the same. This little boy is an old, hairy man. This person's sitting backwards, where this one doesn't have a head. What's the last wacky thing? Because we need 9 things overall. Right there, do you see it? Z and Y are backwards, not X, Mrs. Lee. Oh, silly. I went out the school door. Things were worse than before. I couldn't believe it. 10 wacky things more. Pause and find all 10. Let's find them all. I see the flag has opposite colors where the red stripes are now blue. A shoe at the bottom. He's walking an alligator. A shoe on a limo. And the lady on top walking her child? Oh, that's silly. A giraffe in the sewer. Another shoe under a tree. George Washington is riding his horse backwards. This one was tricky. This man is sitting in the water fountain. And lastly, a building that doesn't even touch the ground? That's wacky indeed. Then I counted 11. Oh my gosh. Find them all. Help this wacky guy out. Able to find all 11? That one was a tough one. Then 12 worst things. I got scared and I ran. My goodness, I hope you were able to find all of them. Our window is in the sky all alone. Our airplane should have the opposite direction if it's taking off with all of these lines behind it. The car just driving over the water. The lady is being pushed by the baby. The baby's going upside down in a stroller ride. Somebody's shoes are walking. A tiger is pushing a baby, and the stroller no longer has wheels, and there are shoes, and the mom has wheels. A door in the middle of the sidewalk? A pig with legs that are not a pig's legs, and a cow that has 2 butts. That's silly. And this mom, whoa, that's a lot of babies in that stroller. I'm sorry, patrolman. That's all I could say. Only 20 more will be wacky, he said. I hope you were able to find all those 20 things that were wacky, because that one had a lot. Wacky Wednesday was gone when I counted them all. And I even got rid of that shoe on the wall. The end. I sure hope you enjoyed reading Wacky Wednesday with me today, and I will see you soon. Bye!